A very good morning to everyone. This is RAMANPREET from Day-to-Day French. I am in this profession from past 7 years as a French language trainer, and if I talk about my teaching profession, it has been 2 decades that I am into this profession, as teaching is my passion. Talking about the foreign language, not in today's life, in our real life also, if we are going into trading or if we are visiting any places or we want to settle at other place, languages plays a key role. Since I was keen in learning the foreign languages from the childhood, so I opted for French. French is a beautiful language and it is being learned not only by professionals but by the young learners. Many young learners and many school children are enrolling with us to learn, and they are very keen to learn this language. Why French is important, why we have to learn this language. My new video will come up. Kindly share it and like it and subscribe it.